Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so look, big down day yesterday. The Bears finally got a little bit of momentum to the downside. The reaction high off the Fed was 32.21.5. So we took, 200 and something right off the top of that. So you can see here on the daily chart. First of all, we have rolled into the September contract from the June contract. That happened last night. So the daily chart that I use here on the webcast is a continuation chart, just because it makes it simpler for me to keep everything in one place for you guys every day as I do the webcast. What you can see yesterday, though, it was a big move. I mean, we had this steady move up, lots of engagement with the upper band. The Bears knocked it down. They took out the 9-day. They took out the daily mid-band. They've been trying to bounce it overnight, and they've done a pretty good job of it. They bounced it about 60 handles. On the hourly chart, daily mid-band's coming in at 37. You get the 50-day and monthly pivot down there at 29.51. They took out the area that we discussed yesterday, which is this chunk between weekly pivot and the 9-day. They paused a little bit there, pre-market about 5 in the morning, but once it converted, even when we got into the regular session, I mean, you had minimal effort off the open to try to take it up at all. I mean, they did 18, 19, and that was it. You had a good old-fashioned trend down, risk off, every pop gets destroyed kind of a day. So, for traders, it was great volatility. Really good day, great volatility. And it's this expansion, a continuation of the expansion out of this compression on the hourly chart. So, yesterday, doing 5% down, some stocks 6, 7, 8% down, big ones. That's the easy part. That's easy. Bears do that all the time. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. They've been doing it for forever. Now is the hard part. Okay? What's the hard part? Well, here's your bounce, right? Are they going to defend the bounce and create a lower low? Or are they going to lay down? I don't know. But you always have to be prepared now for they're going to lay down part. And that doesn't mean you get long and fight price and do really stupid stuff. Anybody that fought price long yesterday, this is why I tell you guys don't fight price. Did we take a long? Yeah, we tried a couple yesterday in between, very large shorts. And, they were at strategic places that could have bounced it. And I don't think we were in any one of them for more than a couple of minutes. So, as they bounce it here, you're going to have to pay close attention. We're already above the mid-band, and we're coming back in now to test the mid-band. We're going to have to pay close attention to how things like the daily mid-band are dealt with. The cleanest way for the Bears to handle this would have been, okay, yeah, walk it up to the daily mid-band, but then we're coming back in, and we're going to go down here and see some stuff. If the Bears are going to allow price to migrate, and if it can migrate back towards the 9-day, then they're really going to have to, they're going to have to reject up there. Otherwise, we're going to be right back in the same boat. So yesterday, down 5%, that's easy. Now that they've bounced it, now the Bears have to actually go to work. The work begins today if they want to do any kind of a multi-day pullback. What have I told you guys? Forever. Like every day I sound like an idiot. Until the Bears can convert levels that matter on a closing basis and keep those levels converted for multiple days, price will continue to go higher. All right, so part one, convert levels that matter on a closing basis. Done, check mark. Keep those levels converted on a multi-day basis. That's what today's about. That's what Monday's about. And this is not about that. So they need to fix that. And the last chance saloon on that is right here. So the ball's in the Bears' court. They can't take the day off or they're going to get drilled. So I'll be very interested to see how this all goes. Very interested to see. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe. Be healthy. Stay together. Take care. Trade them well. I'll see you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.